$10. $10, not 20, bro. In this signal, let's see. Chúng ta sẽ cược 10 đô cho lệnh đỏ. Let's see if it is a red. Go. I win $10, bro.
Hay quá
This
nhỉ.
is live stream. This is live stream with you. Đây là ma thuật và đây là ma thuật livestream chứ không phải ma thuật Photoshop. This is not Photoshop, bro. Okay, so I think that's enough for our strategy today, and I think you have a good way, good belief for your mind that you are going to come with me, you are going to dance with me, you are going to rock with me, the IQ option. And let's hope if you have a little money, you could pay for the full course and enter the class with the talented people and enjoy with me, enjoy the dancing every day. So $1,000 per month targeting is not something big to your life. It's nothing, guys.
Okay, you have any following money management, anything?
I have. If you lost $1, you enter 1.1. If you have lost 10, you enter 11 or 12. Don't go double, triple, 4 times, 3, 5 times, bro. Because you are not God. You cannot make sure every day you win, or make sure you win every trade, or make sure every 10 trades you win over 8 or 7 or 9. You are not God to make sure that. So you should better go with money management. But this one, you even don't go with money management for quite strictly. Just make fun only, bro.
Okay, bro.
Make fun. Yeah. You should also apply the money management. Sự quản lý vốn là rất quan trọng. But it is not quite important. Just take it easy. Nhưng với phương pháp này thì các bạn hãy chơi trò chơi với nó, hãy vui vẻ với nó đi. Các bạn sẽ thấy nó có cái sự ma thuật ở trong đấy. So don't worry much about money management, but don't forget money management. It's still important to any traders in the world. But when you come to my class, I am sure you are going crazy with me. Okay?
Yeah, okay, bro.
Okay, so that's enough for today, and I hope you have fun. Have a good day.
But this
If any question,
only one strategy, bro. You told 4 strategy, right?
yeah, I have some other strategy, but they are son or kids of this mother strategy.
Yeah, okay, bro.
Yeah, so I want you to go. You can take tomorrow if you want, and you can make money right now. I think you can do back test.
Okay.
Try to do the testing for yourself. For example, this one is a loss, but I will know if it is a loss or not, bro.
Yes.
Yeah, so try to do. You may have a sense of candle, and you may have a good feeling about it.
Có trong gì vậy bro?
Okay.
Yeah, okay, bro.
Okay. So have a good day, bro. Goodbye. Anything, just message me, and I hope that you can pay a full course and just enter the class, because I think money is not a big deal in this time. If you come to my class, you will definitely go crazy. And you also have the right to sit in the Signal VIP group for the rest of your life, and get support from our technical team as well, every day, 24 hours. And also, the other person who is not in the class, they have to pay $20 per month to sit in the VIP Signal group every month, $20. So think about it.
Yeah, okay, bro. Okay.
Yeah, it is very cheap, bro. $1,000 per month is nothing, bro. It is nothing to us. You can get more than that. Yeah. And if you practice good, your technical is good, your point of view is good, your thinking, your vision is good, you may have a chance to work with us as a partner, as a worker, employee. We going to rock the world. We're going to do business together, bro.
Yeah, okay, bro. Sure.
Okay, yeah, see you. Okay, goodbye. See you.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
All right, cheers.
Cheers, bro.
All right, cheers.